everybody. I've been busy today helping Nat do a video, so I thought we'll do something nice and simple, a bit of a taste test sort of thing, if you get me. Let me show you what we got. Okay, this is what I've got. It's not just this I'm doing something else, but I thought I'd show you these first. Blue Dragon, I've never actually had this from Iceland when I went the other day. Blue Dragon sweet chili chicken pizza. I've never actually had that one. £3.50. And that's the Aldi one, which I do have the Aldi one quite a bit because I do quite like it. £1.39. A lot of difference in the price, isn't there? But what's it like with the taste? Now, this is, the Blue Dragon is 455 gram. And if you get me wrong, I think it's 350 on this, 340. But for over £2 more, you know what I'm saying? That's what we're going to check. And I'm also going to do, I'm going to be testing them. And I've got Nat some of these. She likes a bit of sweet and sour. Sweet and sour chicken thigh bites. Blue Dragon as well. That was £3.50 as well. So it's quite expensive, isn't it? But with Nat, in case she doesn't like them, I'm going to be doing a Hasselback spud with got some melted butter there, with a bit of garlic butter marinade in the air fryer. That's what I'm going to do. So first things first, before we look at them pizzas, I want to get the spud in because that's going to take the longest. So this one will be a bit chaotic, bit of everything, because I hadn't really planned on doing a proper meal. Well, I had planned, but I wanted to not do this video. So we'll get I don't know, some of this garlic butter in. I'll get that and mix first. And I'll put a couple of tablespoons in there because we want the flavour, don't we? We're going to get that and mix. And it does smell nice, that garlic butter there. That smells really nice. I'm just going to go, I haven't got two wooden spoons, so I've only got these, but anything to do to, camera's in the way. As long as you don't cut through the bottom. I'm going to make them quite thick, because it is a big spud, this. Should have got a smaller spud really, but. And it's going to take, I reckon it's take about half hour in the air fryer, I think, something like that. Okay, last one. There we go. That's that done. I'm going to put it in a bowl. Open them up a little bit. And put a little bit of oil on. Give it a rub. Get that crunchy bit. A little bit of salt. And then drizzle in your marinade, whatever one you want. Put it over the top and get them all open and get them in. But these don't take long to do they? I mean, in pizza's probably what, I haven't looked yet, but probably 15-20 minutes in the oven. And I suppose them bites, them sweet and sour bites will only be, don't take long, and I'll do them in the air fryer as well. There we go. And what I'll do is what I do with my Hasselbacks, I don't know if you do with yours, I do baste them as I go along. So after about halfway or something, I will put some more seasoning on it. Well, we'll get them in the air fryer first. Okay, let's have a look at these pizzas then. Let's start with the Blue Dragon sweet chili. I don't know if you've had them before. We don't get to Iceland often, so say medium heat. Cook from frozen, 18 to 20 minutes. All Blue Dragon, we are inspired by the vibrancy of the modern age. Oh, put my glasses on, hold on, I can't read that. At Blue Dragon, we are inspired by the vibrancy of modern age and sharing new tastes and recipes. Okay. There's all the ingredients, you want to have a look. For best results, cook from frozen. Give it a pudding bazooka out a bit so you can pause it and do what you do. There you go. and it's 455 gram in that one. Let's open it up. I've never seen this one before. There it is. Let's open that up. Let me know if you've had the Blue Dragon one. Okay, put that to the side. Now we'll get the Aldi one, £1.39p. Cooked from frozen, 15 minutes. Nutrition. Where are we? There we go again, give it a pause. There's your ingredients. Stone-based pizza, topped with sweet chilli sauce, cooked with spiced chicken breast, mozzarella cheese, red onions. And I say I've had this one a few times, so I do know what these ones are like. Well, you can see the difference straight away, can't you? You can definitely see the difference. Let's open it up and put them both together. Look. Look. There's hardly nothing on the Aldi one, is there, really? And that's a better base, look. But is it worth £2 more? That's the question. Well, we're going to get them in the oven and we're going to find out. Before we do them in the oven, leave them there for a second. Let's have a look at these. How long do these take to cook, actually, before we start? They're going to go in the air fryer, 25 minutes, about 50, what did you say there? 14 minutes, turn halfway through. Yeah, so let's have a quick look at these before we start getting everything in the oven. Sweet and sour chicken thighs. Cooked oven, I'm doing it in the air fryer. 14 minutes. Place cooked thigh bites in a bowl, open the sachets, drizzle over the top. There's your ingredients on them. Let's open these up. There they are. Oh, they're bigger than I thought. I thought they'd be a lot smaller than that, but they're not. They're quite big. Okay. Let's open one up. There's them. And there's the sauce. I'll just put that in some water. Some hot water just to melt it, that's all. Okay, let's get them in the oven and them in the air fryer. Okay, pizzas are done. Let me know what you think. I know which one I'd pick. Which one? I mean, the Blue Dragon's a lot better, isn't it? That's the Blue Dragon, obviously you can tell. It's a lot better. But is it £2 better? It's got a lovely base. Compared to Aldi's a little pathetic base. But hey, it's all in the taste, isn't it? I'm expecting it to be 100 times better, to be honest with you. And there's the sweet chicken ball things, whatever they was called, what they're called. Chicken thigh bites. I'm just getting a Nat's Hasselbank cake now. So we'll get on the table and we'll have a crack. Oh, I've only just started recording, it's eating already. They're called, what are they called? Forgot. Sweet and sour chicken thigh balls. Let me show you. That's tucking in already. You're supposed to pour that over, but I'll put it at the side just in case you want it as a dip, if you get me. I don't know what they're like. There's a Hasselbank. Is it Hasselbank? Hasselback, isn't it? I keep saying Hasselbank. What's Hasselbank? I don't know. Whatever it's called. There it is anyway. It looks quite nice. It's too big though. I've got a massive one. Only got one. It's a bit big, isn't it? Just a bit. And there's the pizzas. It's Michael Hasselbank, isn't it? That's who it is, isn't it? Michael Hasselbank, isn't it?
Who's Michael Hasselbank?
Is that in Baywatch, man? Is that him?
That's Huff.
Hofferman. I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay.
What's his name?
The Huff.
The Hoffman.
No, that's not his name.
Isn't that his name? I don't know what I'm doing. I've been too busy today.
Not Roger.
Yeah.
No,
him.
that's
What's
not
his
his
name?
name.
I don't know. I ain't got a clue.
You're weirdo.
I'm all over the place. Oh, yeah. I'll turn that oven off, yeah. Right, let's go. I don't know what it is anyway. What is it? Hasselbank. It's Hasselbank.
David Hasselhoff.
Hey, the Hasselhoff, that's it.
I'm not eating him, am I?
I don't know. Anyway, let's try the Aldi cheap one first. £1.39. And these are the ones I usually have, and they're not too bad. I do usually put a bit of chilli sauce on, but to start with, I know what they're like. And I've only cut them small, because I won't be eating all of these. Just for a taste, but I know what that one's like. And they are quite nice then for £1.39. Got a nice sweet chilli bit there as well. How are you finding them, Bab?
I'm not sure, you know.
You're not sure?
I've tasted better.
You've tasted better?
Yeah.
Tasted
I'm
better.
not sure at all about them.
No.
What?
Them or the sauce or both together?
Both.
Both together?
The sauce doesn't taste like sweet and sour.
Doesn't it?
No. And the chicken balls are... I'm not sure.
Chicken thigh balls, chicken thigh bites.
Well, they are. I'm not sure, you know.
And these the one, it's a lot better, isn't it? You got all the gooey cheese and everything in it, ain't you? Let's try this one. And it looks a lot better as well. There's no competition, is there?
What have you had? Sweet chili chicken pizza.
It's got a really nice dough. It's definitely the Blue Dragon. Definitely. It's over £2 more though. Is it worth £2 more? I think if you want the flavour and the taste, then yeah, it is. Would I buy it all the time for that? No. I prefer to buy that just for, once I put my sauces on and my dips, get my sriracha on there, bit of barbecue sauce and some mayo. It is nice, but that is delicious. The Blue Dragon one is really, really nice. So it's up to you. You want to save money? Cheap version. You know, it's got the flavour, but it doesn't look the best. There's not as much chicken or anything. It's only, was it 340 gram to 450 or something like that, was it, or something? Let me know what you think. What would you buy? Would you buy the better one for an extra £2? Or the cheaper one? And what would you think? Would you buy them chicken balls again? Chicken thighs?
How much were they?
It was £3.50.
No.
So quite expensive.
No.
No, you wouldn't.
No, I'm sorry, it's flat out no.
No, you wouldn't buy it.
No.
No. No?
I've tasted a lot better.
Especially because you buy that sweet and sour sauce from Aldi. The packets are like 50p, can't you? Whatever they're called. Yeah.
I've tried cheaper versions of sweet and sour chicken balls and they've been a lot nicer. So they're okay, but they're not.
Let me try one.
They're not nothing special.
Let me try one.
Try it.
Let me try one.
You don't normally eat sweet and sour,
No.
so you wouldn't really.
I like eat sweet things, but not.
Yeah,
It's
no,
the
but
sour with me.
It's the sauce, isn't it? Okay. It's not me being wrong.
That sweet and sour,
Doesn't taste like it.
it's not as potent as the other sweet and sours. Because I could eat that, but it doesn't taste like sweet and sour.
It tastes like sweet and sour.
It tastes of sweetness, but a little bit of sour.
It tastes weird. I can't explain.
Yeah. Anyway, there we go. Let me know whether you've had them. The pizza I would have again. Not all the time, but I would have it again. because of the price difference. Try something simple because we've been doing a video on Nat's channel. That's why my mind's all gone to pot. Anyway.
I'll send him to Lally.
See you later. Bye bye.